Good morning, cereal fans. Welcome to another cereal review. Today I have for you Post Honey Bunches of Oats Frosted Bunches. It costs $4.93 for a 15.2 ounce box. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Well, it's basically just Frosted Flakes with these honey nut clusters. So if you like Frosted Flakes, you're gonna like this cereal. But the best part about the cereal is these honey clusters. These honey nut clusters. Unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of those in there. Now, let me see something. Yeah, I mean, I don't see a lot in there. All right. And since it's mostly it's a flaky cereal, it's gonna get soggy on you really fast. So I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. All right, the end of the year is approaching. I'll have one or two more cereal reviews, and then I'm gonna do a top 10 cereals I've tried this year. And as a reminder, if I reach 100 subs by the end of the year, December 31st, I will kick off the new year eating a giant bowl of cereal. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great morning and an even better day.